Hello, friends! Today we will get acquainted with one of the most anticipated smartphones of this year, Honor 200. This device promises to become a real flagship with powerful hardware, unique design, and advanced technologies. Let's look at its key features and figure out what attracts attention. Honor 200 immediately attracts attention with its premium design. Thin frames, glossy glass back panel, and elegant metal body create a premium feel. The smartphone is available in several colors that give it an elegant look. 6.7-inch OLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz provides an incredibly smooth and bright picture. On such a display, every action looks clear and rich, be it watching videos, playing games, or simply scrolling pages. Honor 200 is equipped with a powerful Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, which provides the highest performance in all tasks. Games, demanding applications, working with large files. All this is easy and without delays thanks to 12 GB of RAM. You also have a choice between 256 and 512 GB of internal memory, which gives enough space for storing photos, videos, and applications. Honor 200 will not leave mobile photography lovers indifferent. The main camera with a resolution of 50 megapixels takes pictures with incredible detail. Thanks to advanced AI algorithms, your photos will be rich, clear, and realistic, even in low light. Additionally, the 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom allow you to capture all your life moments in the highest quality. The 50-megapixel front camera will not let you down either, providing excellent selfies and video calls. As for battery life, the Honor 200 is impressive. The built-in 5,200 mAh battery allows you to use your smartphone all day long without having to look for a power outlet. And with support for 100-watt fast charging, you can charge your phone to 100% in just half an hour. This is the perfect solution for those who are always on the go and do not want to waste time on long recharges. Honor 200 is a combination of power, style, and technology. It will become your faithful assistant in work, entertainment, and everyday affairs. If you are looking for a flagship smartphone with advanced features, this is your choice. Subscribe to our channel, like if you liked the video, and write in the comments what you think about this device. See you in the next review.